Get more spin with the 4th generation Rotex wedge, featuring the sharpest tour zip grooves we've ever made. Get more versatility with more grinds and less bounce. Get more feel with a compact shape built for tour. Get more from your short game with the all-new RTX 4 wedge, only from Cleveland Golf.